down by 10. Hopefully I come back. If I come back, AB's gonna do something to me. I'm gonna do something to AB. Only if we win. Come back.
Corey, it's clear you could use some help. Do you think we can get Bryson Boyd and Mike Davis here on Friday?
Probably. If they're not on like black people time, you know what that is.
No comment.
No comment. No comment.
Hey, ball up. Hey, yo, ball up.
No, fuck that. Yeah, Carter. Fuck!
Damn!
You know who that is at the top of it?
Damn! Hey, yo, Big SB, one more.
Corner.
You have less misses than Joe.
This side. No good.
I'm on this shit.
Why aren't the other brother?
So one of the brothers.
So what? The other brother. His twin brother.
Davion?
I don't know.
My fucking face.
Who
said that?
I was listening to Coach said I was like that.
Who had you over mine?
Whoever.
Damn! That's the ball, Big. I think up 9. $75 is game. Although I'm just a cameraman, so don't take my word for it. We're working on it.
I can get jerseys, I can get mics.
I'm not gonna lie, you have the popularity to do it.
Like, I'm in a refs group chat, I can get refs. I can do interviews post game.
Yeah, I got 400K views per month on the IG account. Like profile views.
Damn, see, because you can do it to where, like, if they're in a team, everybody can buy their own jersey.
That'd be tough.
And then because they're going to the last team.
Like, I can rent out the
You don't need this shit right now, bro. I'm gonna get Daisy scored.
That was it? I was ready to say.
You got that 2 down there, right?
Yeah, like if y'all press them like y'all should be pressing them. Y'all Okay.
Yeah, Uncle Jimmy! Dude, that is Uncle Jimmy, bro.
Say something to him.
Yeah, another one from Carter. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. Y'all niggas are only up.
Is he about to be in the MVP race?
Who's that?
This should be different in the contest. That's actually
We have one.
better than I don't know who.
Rebound.
I'm a freak. Niggas don't know the song. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, you know the song. You can go to some corny shit, so you can even.
Are you married to Don?
I've been away from too much.
Yo, KP, sub in.
Carter, tell me what's up.
Yeah, he knew better.
Wait, no, I'm saying fuck. Wait, no, Terry.
Damn!
Hey, Joey, I'm about to send you out. Huh? I'm about to send you out.
Just came out, bro.
Game out, bro. Like,
That's a 3-game series.
game 1.
No.
What the fuck? Nigga subbed me out. Nigga, you not hitting shit either.
Go to work, go to work.
Wait, good bad. Good book.
Oh yeah, Uncle Jim.
What's Joey's fault? What's Joey's fault? Fucking white.
63-53. Game's over at 75.
This nigga, bro.
Up 8. Up 8.
Carter has at least 30 points, by the way. Y'all got it.
This guy plays left field, bro.
Like he plays
Damn!
Hey, Todd.
Swing the rock, yo!
He needs to swing that. He genuinely needs to.
Oh!
That was so.
No, there's no fucking way you're
Bro,
calling
Jake,
a foul,
good petting,
bro.
bro.
That's soft as shit. Bro, you were behind the backboard.
He hit me.
That's a terrible shot.
He hit me.
That's awful.
Right? Right?
That's some soft
Let it go, right? Soft. I got one dog. I got one dog. I got
Carter is killing me.
MVP. Carter Cunningham, he plays left field. He pitches.
Yo, this nigga plays point guard, man.
They're going shopping. He might have the scoring record. He might have broken Joey's 32-point playoff record. You can't call that shit from the sideline.
I ain't a ref. I'm just scorekeeper. One shot.
Bro, Dave and Carter are going shot for shot.
Hey, point guard. One more, KK, one more. Let me see something, point guard. Hey, let me see something. Your eyes.
And here he comes to ruin it.
Good shot. Hey, Todd. Moment to shine.
Yo, this thing is funny as shit.
Oh, yo, I forgot to put the camera on him, bro. Bro, I forgot to put the camera on him and he dunked.
Hey, Charles. 58-67.
It's a 9-point game.
Point guard.
Oh, way left. Come on, Uncle Jimmy.
Yo, Charles, next time I need you to dunk it. I need to see a yeah from you.
Is that 59-67?
Yeah.
Flagrant on. Flagrant.
2-1. Ones and twos. You scored 2 ones. You've been playing the entire game.
That's the your can. No, Carter needs to stay. The game's about to end, bro.
What score? Hey, Carter. What score? 59-50. Yeah, y'all should have double that. Wait, y'all are running 2 games?
No, it's a 3-game series.
Another game today, right? Look at us for extra.
Oh, yeah, it's a 3-game series.
You better go in there and get drop 5 real quick so you can always take the quick.
70-60.
I'm good.
Yo, Tyler, you're off. Tyler, you're off, or it's a 10. You got 6 on.
Big SB. 70-62, yeah.
Yes, cents, bro. Actual
Jameer got like
cents.
$10 worth.
$10. Because all he does is complain, bro. He's stacking up in 14-cent fines.
Do you count that? Are you counting that? Yeah, that's a bucket. Y'all gotta tag me with those.
Barnacles, this guy stinks! Oh, there's one cool dunk. It's going on the graphic. That's his 2nd career cool dunk. There we go, your boy Cam. I see the highs. I see the highs. Who got blue shirt? Hey, down 7. It's not out of reach. 72-65. Yo, you're getting fined, bro. On offense, down 6.
Come on, Jay, we need it. Come on, Jay, we need it.
Come on, Uncle Jimmy.
Hey, Cam, another one.
Oh my God! Time! Got time after the inbound.
73-69. Y'all gotta stop letting him shoot. He has 3 shots back to back to back.
Bro, he's like 3 for 12.
The one he makes.
We're good. Bro, it's not him. It's fucking Carter.
73-69. They're up 4, but if they get 2 points, they win.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, can you play what? Is it 1s and 2s?
Yeah. But you still got like 40.
Yo, there's no 2. Simple as that. There's no 2s. They got 73. There's no 2s. And we're good.
We can do some intentional fouls, you know, if they get to.
Nah, fuck that intentional foul and shit. You only do that if you pussy.
We got rebound, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
I rebound, bro.
Nobody grabbing boards. That's what.
Get.
See my man's Uncle Jimmy. You see my man's Uncle Jimmy over there, yo?
See my man's Uncle
He's a baller. He's the real deal.
See, but look,
Jimmy right
it's
there?
not out of reach, bro.
It's not bad.
An unhealthy Birds team is 6 points away from a playoff win.
Yo, Jay.
You can do it.
3-2.
You could have been here.
Yeah, what the hell is wrong with you, bro? You could have been getting hella PT on the BlackRock Birds. Probably been the starting power forward, but you wanted to go to Bbls and be the 18th man.
Maybe we would have played. Maybe this was an MVP talk, you know?
MVP.
I was in like 5 group chats though.
Carter should be in the MVP.
You're getting fined again, bro. You and Veron.
Hey, come on, take rock.
Hand up. Hand up. 'Attaboy, Uncle Jimmy. $73-70.
Point difference. This is doable.
No matter, he sucks, bro.
Another one. Come on, Cam. God, Cam.
73-71.
Point difference. This is doable. Defense, please.
Get a 1. Just get a 1.
Can we get, bro, where's our bench? Can we get some defense, Cam?
Let's count.
73-71. Dorsey and them.
Which one?
This the one.
Oh. Hey, KG.
Left coming, you don't want it.
71-74. Yeah.
We got 74-71, right?
Hey, Dave. Get back.
That's game. They do a hell of a fucking show, though.